Rocks, a bit windswept. It's still quite windy here, not as bad as it was though. So anyway, I've decided to come here. This is Dunelm. I think I've shown you Dunelm before. It's on the middle of one of those retail parks. We've got pet shops, bed shops, and Marks and Spencer's food shop, and along this bit, which is the side of it, you've got PC World, and which is they sell everything from PCs now to cookers and TVs, everything. So before I get run over because the cars are coming, I'm going to pause this video and I'll see you on the inside. Well, that's better, less windy. So Dunelm is one of those sell anything shops. They sell everything from bedding to wallpaper, soft furnishings. Up there they've got furniture and bits and bobs, but right at the back of this store they do have some yarn. So gonna go and have a little look and see what they've got. It's a massive store, so I will catch you in a moment. So this is the crafty section. They've got material galore here. Look, there's loads, and they have all things for sewing machines, fat quarters and stuff like that. They've got sewing supplies. Well, these look like false boobies, but I think they're shoulder pads, possibly. And there's the yarn. So just checking to see if they've got very much in. I think I got some of this, or very similar to this, when I was in Hobbycraft. Well, the staff are having a bit of a row, but never mind. It's a bit funny. At least it's a light-hearted row. And this is interesting. Peter Pan. Looks like denim. Quite like that. Sorry, trying to manoeuvre with one hand. Didn't bring the gimbal. So it's Pixie. I guess that's the colourway. 100 grams. What does it give us? Are you upside down? Yep. Let's have a look. Can we focus in? Are you going to tell me? Just shade and dye lot. Where are your meterages? Maybe there. Again, upside down. Stand on the head. Right, here we go. 225 metres or 246 yards. That's not too bad. It's 100% acrylic. It's nice and soft. I like that. How much is that? Let's have a look. $3.75. They keep the prices tacked around the corners. That's not bad. Might get some of that. And they have it in pink. I forgot to get myself a basket. What are we? No, I think the Pixie must be the name then. Yeah, Pixie DK. That's quite nice. Very soft. I mean, that is really squishy soft. And it smells lovely. So they've got lots of fluffies. I did get quite a bit of that though in one of my last shopping trips. Wow, that's very luxury cotton. I don't think so. A bit rough. Don't think I'd want to be having that next to my skin. So with wool DK. Looks, well, this is DK. Looks kind of nice. Wendy. Nice charcoal colour. I like that. But not a great deal to write home about. And I've had this before. That's not a very good label. The paint box. But this is DK. I think the one I had before from here, I did have one of these, but it wasn't quite the same. It's more like this one. But I've never seen the paint box DK like that. I've only ever seen that in the Super Chunky. But I do have one similar to this at home. I've only got the one skein. I covered my phone lead in it. Got the big fat ugly balls of Aran that they normally have. Make it taupe colours. So over here, what have we got? Just solid colours. That blue looks interesting. I have a project in mind for some blue like that. But I wanted to make it in Aran. And I do have some Stylecraft Aran, which I'm probably going to make. Well, I made these gloves with it. Sorry for looming my gloves up on you like that. I have to remember not to move too sharply. I've got the pattern books. That's kind of cute. Not after patterns though. So this is what I've had previously. And it's a nice colour. It's an unusual Aran. Not in the market for that though. That's a different colour paint box. kind of pretty. I like that one. So that's £3. And that one I've had before. I did it in a giveaway, I think. And this one's kind of nice. Very pretty. Oh, and then we've got the chunkies and super bulkies. My knees were giving way, so I can't show you that. I need to get fitter. So, that's not a massive section of yarn, but they also have some accessories. Got lots of buttons. Look at that. I have had some pretty buttons from here before. Oh, heart ones. Yeah, and I've had some jars of buttons like that, but none of them match, which kind of puts me off of ever getting them again. And we've got some crochet hook set. That's not bad. £3.50. I don't think it's branded. No. Can't get it back on. Those ones are just the usual kind of silver, well, grey, plasticky ones, and the usual bog standard hooks. The rest are all mainly knitting looms. At the back we've got some bags and sewing boxes and some scissors, which I have always wanted a pair of these ones with the they've got little gold ones, but they're pretty. But I think I prefer this shiny one. But I've got these Fiskars and they're very good, so I don't really need to buy them, although I probably will one day. That's it really for... They've got more craft things, but not really anything that I'd be interested in. So I might get a few of these things and show you what I get later. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.